Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another brand new Red Dead Redemption 2 video on my channel. If you guys go on to enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and definitely hit those post notifications to get notified on when I upload future GTA 5 and Red Dead Redemption 2 videos like this. Alright, so what you guys are going to be doing in this video is you're going to be receiving a awesome new repeater, and I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to be doing this. So you want to get to about 18% of the game, or I think it was about 18.5% completion, and you're going to head to the M on your map, and you're going to be talking to this fellow here on the ridge. Alright, so about 18-19% completion of the game. You guys are going to head over to the M on your map, and this guy's going to have you rob a coach. So you guys are going to be robbing a coach. It's called an American Pastoral Scene. That is the mission name. Now you guys are going to be robbing a coach, and when you rob this coach, right when you rob it, he's going to give you a brand new repeater. So check it out. Here's this brand new repeater you receive. It's the Lancaster repeater, and it's pretty amazing rifle. It's a much better rifle than all the other ones that I have achieved already in the game. So make sure you guys definitely check out this mission, do it as quick as possible, and get to about 18-19% completion of the game. Anyways, after that, you're gonna run into some guys over here on this ridge. They're gonna go ahead and get in a gunfight with you. Just go ahead and shoot them up, and once you shoot them up, you're gonna have to break open this lockbox. Alright, so you're just going to shoot open that lockbox, and once you shoot open that lockbox, you will get a good bit of cash. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys definitely subscribe to the channel if you're new, and definitely hit those post notifications to get notified on when I upload future Red Dead Redemption 2 videos like this. But for now, this is your boy Celeste. I'm out.